Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a Jotform via email. This is a fantastic way to distribute forms directly to your recipients, making it easier for them to access and fill out your surveys, registrations, or feedback forms without having to search for links. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're using the correct account that contains the form you want to share. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. Browse through and select the form you want to send via email. Once you've located it, click on the Edit Form button. This takes you into the form editor where you can make any last-minute changes if needed, but more importantly, it gives you access to the publishing options. Now look for the Publish button, typically located at the top of the form editor. Click on it to open up the various sharing and distribution options available for your form. This is the hub where you can choose how you want to share your form with your audience. In the left menu panel that appears, select Email. This option is specifically designed for sending forms directly through email, which ensures your recipients receive a personalized message along with easy access to your form. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Email Form. Within this section, click on Share on Email. This action opens up the email customization interface where you'll craft your message. First, you'll want to customize the email subject under the Email Content tab. The subject line is crucial as it's the first thing your recipients will see, so make it clear and engaging to encourage them to open the email. Next, move down to the Email Content area where you'll find a rich text editor. Here you can edit and personalize the message that will accompany your form. Take your time to craft a message that explains why you're sending the form and what you need from the recipients. The form link will be automatically included in this email, making it seamless for recipients to access it. Once your message is ready, switch over to the Recipients tab. Here you'll need to update the sender name to reflect your name or your organization's name. This helps build trust and ensures recipients know who the email is coming from. Then fill in the email addresses of the people you want to send the form to. You can add multiple recipients if needed. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send. Your form will be delivered straight to your recipients' inboxes, and they'll be able to access and complete it with just a click. And that's it, you've successfully sent your Jotform via email. This method streamlines the distribution process and makes it incredibly convenient for both you and your recipients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.